So we have successfully drawn out this diagram here, right? We call it half full size. Is that taken? And half full size will be half of whatever dimension that was given to you. So we use the scale of 1:2, meaning 1 over 2 of whatever dimension you are about to measure. So if I want to measure 50, I'll use 1 over 2 times 50, which will give me 25, and I'll measure my 25. If I want to measure 10, I'll use 1 over 2 of 10. I'm going to use to measure the 10. Is that okay now? And we use 1:2, which is saying our full size. Then this is rescale 1:1, which we'll call full size. So whatever you are given as given in the diagram displayed at the right hand side of the screen, that is exact thing you are going to use. So 1:1 means 1 over 1 of whatever is given here. Start taking now. 1 over 1 is 1. 1 times 50 is 50. So you use your 50. That is what you use. And some cases, one tip I'll just give you here is if you're not told to draw your full size, right? To draw your twice full size, meaning that whatever you have, you multiply it by 2. Whatever you have, you multiply it by 2. That means 2 over 1 of your dimension. So 2 over 1 of your dimension is 2 times 50, because 2 over 1 is 2, 2 times 50 is 100. So instead of using 50, you're going to use 100 to draw your line. Mind you, always write the same dimension, but it's through your description, your observer will know that you are using a scale of what? 2:1. Is that taken? And sometimes you might give in 1:3, a scale, meaning that what? 1 over 3 of your measurement. That was you're going to use. Sometimes you'll be giving 3:1, meaning what? 3 times the size of what you're about to measure. So another thing you need to understand is if I have two scale, like I have this is a ratio here, and I have the right hand side, and I have the left hand side. So the right hand side, let me say if the left hand side is 1 and the right hand side is 2, you are what? That means if the right hand side is bigger than the left hand side, you are about to what? Reduce. They call it reduction. But if the left hand side is bigger than the right hand side, you are about to what? To enlarge. Is that okay now? So in cases when you see that the one on the left hand side is bigger, you are enlarging. And if you see that the one on the left hand side is bigger, you are reducing. So if you are giving 1:5, have it in mind that what you are reducing. But if you are giving 5:1, have it in mind that what you are enlarging. Sometimes it can be 5:3. So since the left hand side is bigger and the right hand side is smaller, you know you are what? You are enlarging in the ratio of what? 5:3. So 5 over 3 of the actual dimension. So if you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share the video. Thanks for watching.